Here I have Xiaomi 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then tap on the gear icon here in the corner, go to the export contacts, then select import from SIM card. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. You can select them one by one, or just tap on this button to select them all, and then tap import. And after that, these contacts will appear on your device. So yeah, here you can display like contacts from the internal storage. Here are my contacts from SIM card. So yeah, as you can see, I have these contacts on SIM card and also on device memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.